Leo was a young boy. He loved to explore. One day, he found an old map. The map showed a secret island. Leo built a small boat. He sailed across the big blue sea. Soon, he saw the island. It was green and full of tall trees. Leo walked into the forest. He followed the map carefully. The map led him to a big, ancient tree. A bright light was shining from a branch. It was a beautiful, glowing bird. The bird was trapped in a thorny vine. It could not fly. The bird looked very sad. Leo felt sorry for the little bird. He wanted to help. The thorns were very sharp, but Leo was brave. He carefully used his hands. He gently pulled the thorns away. One by one, he freed the bird. The bird chirped a happy song. It flew around Leo's head. Then the bird dropped a shiny golden feather. It was a gift for Leo. The bird then flew high into the sky. It circled the island once more. Then it disappeared into the clouds. Leo held the golden feather. It felt warm in his hand. He smiled. He knew he did a good thing. Helping the bird made him feel happy. He learned something important that day. A small act of kindness can make a big difference. It can bring light and happiness to others. Leo put the feather in his pocket. He sailed back home, his heart full of joy. He would never forget the glowing bird or the lesson he learned on the secret island. Be kind to all living things. Kindness is a treasure. Thank you for listening. Remember to like and subscribe for more stories. See you next time.